Okay, in this video, I want to do a different invoice format because some of you might be thinking, okay, yeah, but well, all the invoices are the same. Will this work with a different invoice format? Let's try it. I have a GitHub invoice here. Okay, this is the format. It's completely different. It's completely different, right? So I will do the same. I have the bot working. Okay, I have the bot work. Remember that you need the N8N program open, or at least this to be in a tab. If it's not in a tab, in a Chrome tab or with Navigator tab, it's not going to work. So I'll go back to Google Drive. Okay, I will include this invoice. And let's see if we get if the accountant is smart enough to get the data. Let's see. Okay, it has started running. Remember that until it has ended, we cannot really see what is happening. That's, I don't know why. That's how it works. It's running. I'll pause the video, and it says that succeeded. I want to see how the data was retrieved. Some parts, yeah. The fiscal code is not correct. Let's go to the Google Sheets. Okay, so the date is correct or not? Let me see. GitHub, it's yes, the date is correct. Look, 20 of March. Great. The invoice number, it's also correct, yeah. Fiscal code sender, no, but it's because they don't give us any fiscal code. So that's not bad. You see, in the invoice, there is no fiscal code of the sender. They say the name of the company, but not the fiscal code. So, half point. It's not an error, okay? ChatGPT did what could do because the invoice does not have any fiscal code of the sender, which is a bit strange, but anyway. Okay, fiscal receiver good, GitHub Plan Pro, yes, the concept is correct also. Subtotal, yeah, good. Do you understand what just happened? Like, we made a system that is flexible enough to understand different formats of different invoices. I mean, this is mind-blowing. This is crazy. Please implement this as soon as possible.